Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best powdered milks that are available on the market for their true quality. For their true quality, through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Hoosier Hill Farm powdered milk. Hoosier Hill Farm is a highly respected brand of powdered milk because of using only fresh, high-quality ingredients. Check out this whole milk powder that can be quickly transformed into liquid milk or incorporated into various baked goods or smoothies. Each serving of this product packs decent amounts of calcium and protein, while the caloric content is kept at a minimum. The powdered milk is available in convenient jars that are user-friendly and simple to store. The only ingredient here is whole milk without any unnecessary additives. Considering that this is whole milk, it contains a respectable amount of flavorful fat, 28% to be precise. In terms of shelf life, this powdered milk can last up to 1 year. It's much more shelf-stable compared to fresh milk, so this represents a suitable emergency food source. All in all, this is a highly recommended powdered milk for the cost. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Judee's powdered milk. If you're searching for a non-GMO, hormone-free, USA-made powdered milk, you can't go wrong with Judee's. The brand offers a convenient milk powder that's a breeze to reconstitute and features a ton of great uses. It's based on 100% whole milk processed in a gluten-free facility. The fresh milk flavor is maintained intact with the help of a resealable pouch that also extends the lifespan of the product. Whether you want to use the powdered milk as a nutritional supplement or to include it in baking applications, the versatility of this product is hard to match. It can be turned into regular milk by mixing the powder with warm water in the correct ratio on the package. Using cold water isn't recommended because it makes blending in the powder much more difficult. The powdered milk is made with careful attention to the needs of allergic users. It's certified gluten-free and nut-free, while the milk is also free of growth hormones. At number 3, we have the Augason Farms Country Fresh Powdered Milk. When it comes to shelf-stable pantry staples, it's safe to say that few brands can rival Augason Farms. Check out the Country Fresh Powdered Milk that can be instantly transformed into liquid milk by adding water. Thanks to the reliable sealing technology and fresh ingredients used, the dry milk can last much longer than other products. You can expect an unopened can of this powdered milk to remain shelf-stable for a maximum of 20 years. Whether you're dieting or want to use powdered milk as a nutritional supplement, this is a recommended product because it's non-fat milk. It features fewer calories compared to whole milk, while benefiting from added essential vitamins, A and D. Obtaining a similar consistency to regular milk is fairly difficult when blending the powder with water. It's a good idea to use warm water and to allow the mixture to chill in the fridge for some hours to result in a creamy, smooth texture. At number 2, we have the Kate Naturals powdered milk. Made using premium ingredients, the Kate Naturals powdered milk represents a great choice for the money. This is a whole milk powder that contains the full flavor of milk in a convenient, shelf-stable form. Although it takes some effort to reconstitute using water, the resulting liquid milk is just as nutritious as fresh milk. Both adults and babies can enjoy the taste of this powdered milk. Adding water in the right amount can result in a nicely blended liquid milk comparable to regular milk. Just make sure you follow the provided instructions for a successful reconstitution. This milk powder is very reliable for camping or travel purposes because it's safely stored at room temperature for months. It can be a substitute for fresh milk in various cooking applications. Many recipes can often require dry milk powder like this. You won't be disappointed by the GMO-free, gluten-free, and hormone-free content of this powdered milk. And finally, at number 1, we have the Milkman powdered milk. With a delicious taste and easy mixing features, the instant dry milk powder from Milkman offers excellent value for the money. This is a low-fat powdered milk that doesn't pack too many calories while still providing a superior taste compared to non-fat options. When mixed properly and reconstituted into liquid milk, you should be able to obtain a smooth consistency with a similar level of creaminess to fresh milk. The powdered milk comes in convenient little packets that can be used to quickly make a single quart of milk per packet. When it comes to shelf life, this product won't disappoint. The dry milk can last for up to 2 years. The intuitive packaging makes it easier to keep the powder fresh, so you can only use as much as needed at a time. Thanks to using hormone-free milk from grass-fed cows, you can experience a solid level of quality. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.